video, I'm going to share with you 10 holiday gift ideas for amigurumi addicts. This is the perfect holiday gift guide if you have a friend or a family member that just can't put their hook down. The first thing I'm going to share with you is actually the Amigurumi Calendar 2023, which is also a project that I'm going to work with while I share with you these 10 ideas. So if you don't know what the Amigurumi Calendar 2023 is, it's a wall calendar with one amigurumi pattern for each month. So 12 amigurumi patterns in total with a theme forest. Each and every amigurumi in this calendar has a connection with the forest. A great holiday gift idea for a amigurumi nerd or addict, if you ask me. Hi and welcome to my kitchen, or our kitchen, because I live with Lucas. But yeah, let's make a cup of tea. My dad is a huge tea nerd, so he has been teaching me a lot of things about tea. Haven't really decided. I think we are going to go with a rhubarb tea today. This is not a tea he would recommend because he's like no-go with every and anything that has a taste. That is a bad word, but has like a constructional taste. He's more of these really traditional tea sorts from China, for example. Assam, Kimun, Darjeeling, and so on. But yeah, enough rambling. We are now going to brew some tea. My second gift idea is actually a teacup or a coffee cup, because when we crochet amigurumis, it's always nice to drink on something hot and cozy. You could also add in some good tea and maybe a jar of honey, for example, and make it a little cute package. Third thing is a lamp. We all need good lighting when we are crocheting, and don't mind this very creative solution for keeping my lamp into place. It's Lucas who has figured this out. It is not pretty, but it works. So yeah, a good lamp would be a great holiday gift for someone that is crocheting amigurumis a lot. The fourth gift idea is actually a amigurumi pattern book. This is one of my favorite, but there are a lot of gorgeous amigurumi pattern books out there. So yeah, this is a great gift idea for a amigurumi addict or nerd or lover. Oh my god. The fifth tips is a project bag. This is just a simple tote bag, but there are also more advanced versions out there. Super cute. You can go and look on Etsy and search for project bags, for example. They are great for keeping your project organized. So this is a great gift for someone that has a lot of ongoing projects. The next holiday gift idea is yarn. Yarn is a fundamental item when you crochet amigurumi and something that you are always in need of and you always have too little of and always need more out of. So yeah, yarn is a great gift for someone that is hooked on amigurumi. The next holiday gift is a crochet hook. This is also something very fundamental when you are crocheting amigurumi, and there is a lot of special cool amigurumi hooks out there that might not be the first choice for a amigurumi crocheter, but might be a really fun gift to give somebody that is hooked on amigurumi. Okay, so let me show you what I have crocheted so far for the Amigurumi calendar 2023. Here is the January amigurumi. It is Brita the bullfinch. She's so cute. I'm so in love with her. Then we have the Forgotten Mitten. That is the February pattern. This is a lost mitten that somebody has found in the forest. It is inspired by Valentine's Day, which means with the heart, and yeah, Valentine's Day in Finland is actually called Friendship's Day, which I think is so much better. So this is this is the Lost Mitten, the February pattern. Then we have a crocus, I hope it's pronounced that in English, for the March. The spring is coming up, and these are my favorite flowers, in one of them that pops up in the spring. So this is the March pattern. Then we are jumping ahead to September. This is a cantarelle for the September amigurumi pattern. And I'm also working on a blue snail. This is for the April amigurumi pattern. This is the body so far. And I'm also actually working, this is like very in the beginning stage. Let me see if I can find it. Yes, here. So I'm going to make a thermos. Is it called that in English? You know, the things that you put hot chocolate in to keep it warm when you go out in the forest. I have no idea if it's called thermos in English. It might not be that, but yeah, you know what I'm talking. So this is like the bottom half of it. So it's going to be a bottle with a cap, and then it's going to say hot with yellow text on it. So that is what I'm working on right now. I'm using the Kanma cotton from Cranky Soul Wool for each and every amigurumi, just so that they look similar, or just so I get this cohesive look, because the colors matches really nicely and I love the colors. I also love that it is made out of recycled cotton, so it's super environmental friendly, which is something that is near to my heart. And yeah, I'm using a 3.5 millimeter hook for these amigurumis. So I'm going to continue crocheting on this, I think. Yeah. And my plan is to finish 2 of these amigurumis today so that I can send them off to my testers. Hi, Safran. So that they then have 6 of the patterns, which is half of them, and then I can continue working on the amigurumis tomorrow. This is like my plan for the rest of the week, is to finish this calendar so far as I can so that the testers can test it and I can focus on the layout and the design for the calendar. The calendar is actually up in the shop, so you can pre-order it right now if you'd like to. Yeah, go and check that out. I've left the link in the bio. Hi! Yeah, do you want to be on the movie? She actually can't be in the sofa because she has her period, but I don't care. Grab a pair of scissors if I can find one. This is always the problem with scissors. Also, the next great holiday gift idea: a pair of scissors. There are these really nice ones from Fiskars, for example, that you can fold, for example, or a really tiny ones that looks like a bird. The one thing with scissors, pick a good brand and they need to be sharp because it's annoying when you don't have a sharp pair of scissors. But where is my, let's see if it's... Where are my... Yes! These are my favorite ones. It's a very old pair of yellow scissors from Fiskars. I actually have my name on it. I don't think you can see it, but there is my name engraved on the blade. I think I got these in first grade. I'm not sure, but I love them a lot and I would be really sad if I lost them. So yeah, this is what I needed right now. You wanna play? Luleka. Aren't you tired? You're supposed to like sleep all day. Nope. That is her first toy that she got from the breeder. Yeah, and you still haven't eaten it up, though it's looking kind of miserable. Hey. Okay, back to work. My 9th tips is a t-shirt or some other clothing that has a amigurumi theme. There are a lot of nerdy merch out there. For example, if you go to Redbubble, you can just search for amigurumi and you will find t-shirts where it says Amigurumi Addict or Yarn Lover or Give Me More Yarn or Crochet is my superpower and so on. That is a great holiday gift as well because we are all wearing clothes. My last holiday gift idea for this season is a gift card for a pattern shop. If you are a amigurumi nerd, as me, you know that it can be a lot of money going into patterns, and we want to support our favorite designers. So a great gift idea is to give your friend, for example, a gift card to his or her favorite amigurumi designer or artist. Let me know down in the comments what you are wishing for this holiday season, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they are giving you the right gifts for this holiday. If you want to know anything about these items that I have talked about during this video, you'll find all the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.